What's up, lovers? How are you doing today? Today I am making a video about 5 mistakes you guys be making when you're trying to make that girl run back to you, but you're making those mistakes, errors, and I'm like, what the fuck is going on? Why are you doing this? She's never coming back. So before we start, I want to let you know I'm going to Costa Rica November 14th. If you want to come with me, the link is in the description of this video. I have activities, dinners, drinks, all that shit, adventures. Come with me, please. I'll see you over there, hopefully. All right, so let's jump right in. Number 1 mistake that a lot of you make when she's gone. Maybe she's gone momentarily, maybe it's been a while, but what you guys do is confess your love. If you've never told the bitch, I love you before, this is not the time. I love you, I can't live without you, baby, I miss you so much. This is not gonna work. It's not gonna work because if she was already pulling away, now she's gonna feel suffocated and pressured. So you don't do that. Also, if you've never said it and it takes her to leave you for you to say it, first off, you're lame. You're lame. And second, now she's gonna be confused. She's gonna be like, does he really? Or is he just saying that because he saw that I'm gone? So your I love you is not really good. What you gotta do is just chill. Let her wonder about her decision. You know, the fact that you're not like after her, baby, I need you, come back. She's gonna be like, yo, he's not realizing he's losing me. And then that's how she's gonna come back around, because she's gonna be like, okay, maybe I made a mistake. Maybe he was right. But by you just, I love you, you're not helping your case. And some women are still interested when they're pulling away. They just want to see how you're going to react. You know, that's another test. They want to see if you're going to start chasing, if you're going to start being desperate, if you're going to distance yourself and allow her to do her. They want to see. Be cool. You are not thirsty. You have other options. If the bitch needs convincing, she's not the bitch for you. So while your bitch is doing some dumb shit, how about you go and you take care of your skin? Yes, your skin is really important, and I'm telling you, you guys put this off all the time because you're like, it's too difficult. No, Tijanli is here to save the day. Tijanli is the skincare for men that is really uncomplicated. Yes, they did that for you. They send you everything you need and nothing that you don't. And I know you've heard me talk about them a lot, and you will keep hearing a lot about Tijanli, because the effect that it has on your life, on your dating life, social life, work life are amazing. So I think you guys need to go and get that right now. So when I said they send you everything you need and nothing that you don't, they send you a wash. So with this wash, you wash your face, please, twice a day, day and night. And then because you wash your face, I hope you have some moisturizers. You have an AM for the day, PM for the night if you go to sleep. Yeah, before bed you put that on. And also there's a scrub twice a week, only twice a week. See, it's not that much work. You use that and then it cleans every imperfection, every impurities. So it's very easy. So you don't gotta take my word for it. There is 5,000 5-star reviews online, so you can go check it out and see for yourself. But again, why would I be out here lying to you? Your skin is very important. If I look at you, I'm gonna be like, yes, let me kiss you. Yes, you want me to do all of that? Go get Tijanli today. And because Tijanli is sponsoring the video today, all you gotta do is click the first link in the description of this video and you get 30% off your first order. Yes. So go over there, go do that for me right now. All right. Number 2, do not apologize unless she left you because you cheated or some shit, or you did some wild shit. But if you didn't do anything and she's just like, yeah, I don't know, I need some time, I need to think of some things and blah, blah, blah. Yeah, bitch, okay, go over there, go think. She don't gotta be a bitch. She can just be confused and need some time. So yeah, she can go and think on her own. But what are you apologizing for? The minute you apologize, now you're saying that what she's doing is actually valid and that you did something wrong. You did something? If you didn't, do not fucking apologize. If you think you did something but you don't really know because she hasn't said anything, don't come and out yourself out. Like, I don't know if that's how you say it, but don't go tell on yourself if she hasn't talked about what you've done, supposedly. No, let her be mature. Let her fucking open her mouth and explain what the issue is with you. If she don't say nothing, don't say nothing either. Apology for what? No. Number 3, that's another one you guys be doing. Do not try to buy her love. No, why now that she's gone or pulling away, or you're trying to convince her that, no, it's good over here. Here's gift. What else you need? No. You shouldn't try to convince a girl to be with you by buying her. First off, if she respects herself, she's gonna be like, oh, you think you can just buy me? Which you can for most women. But if she doesn't respect herself and she comes back for the gifts, then who are you? You're just somebody who pays for gifts. Is that the life you want? You want a girl who is with you just because of what you can offer her financially, or you want a girl who really want to be with you because she fucks with you, she likes how you are, she finds you attractive, you're funny, you're fun, all of this, you're the complete package for her. What would you be proud of? I don't think you would be proud of bringing a girl home knowing that, oh, she's only with me for my money. I don't think so. Number 4, do not fake interest. Okay, so she pulled away, but now she's texting you here and there, and now you act like, oh, I don't respond that quick. You're not that important no more. No, don't do that, especially if you still want her. When she texts you, text her regular, the same way you used to text her. If you're a fast texter, text her fast. If you're a slow texter, text her slow. Don't switch your pattern just because she wants some time. Give her the time, but be yourself. Be who you truly are. Don't change because of what she's going through or what she's doing to you. No, be the same person. Also, if she senses that you're acting, she's gonna be like, oh, he's playing games. And maybe she's not even playing games. Maybe she really needs time for herself to figure some things out. So be yourself, be a regular. The minute she's gonna think you're playing games, that's when she's gonna be like, oh, okay, never mind. And last one, number 5, do not give her an ultimatum. Do not act like, yo, you gotta make a decision now. You got till June. Don't do that. You can let her know that your time is valuable and that you might not be waiting around forever, but don't tell her a due date. The due date is on you. You decide when you wanna be done. That's not on her to tell you. You should never really wait for a girl to tell you, okay, I'm ready now. No, decide for yourself. If you feel like you want to give her that time, give her that time, but that's not something she needs to know. Also, you can, in your mind, you can give her, okay, I'll give her a month, to see how things are going to go. And she's not, but you don't got to respect it. If in your head, after 2 weeks, you're like, you know what, that's really not going to work for me. If she's not sure about me, I don't know what she's doing, whatever. Okay, I'm good. Tell her, hey, I'm good. This is not going to work. Don't let people decide what's going to happen in your relationship. You decide. You want to give her time, give her time. You don't want to give her time, you're done. But don't give ultimatums. If you give her an ultimatum, she's probably not going to respond properly. She's probably going to be like, well, fuck you then. I told you anytime you don't want to give it. Okay, bye. So you're never going to win really with the ultimatum. And then you look needy, desperate, all of that. And like you got no option, so you're giving me an ultimatum. No. Don't allow her change of character, put you down, or be less good than you are usually. Like, just be that good person that you are. Don't start playing the games. Don't start apologizing, buying gifts, and doing all of this. No, just be yourself and see what happens. Don't be so, oh my God, I need her. Why are you so thirsty? There's 100,000 bitches out here. That's if you didn't do anything wrong. That's what I'm saying. If you did something wrong, maybe you gotta buy some gift. Maybe you gotta do some shit, to get her back. But if it's just on her, she's pulling away, and you've been a great guy, focus on yourself. Accomplish your goal, go to the gym, start dating other girls, do what you need to do to make yourself feel better from that little break or whatever she's talking about, Go do you. So that's all I have. Hopefully you can like, share, comment. You can subscribe to this channel and to the other channels. Follow me on Instagram, please, also. And you can come to Costa Rica still. The invite still stands for now. Come with me. And also you can maybe schedule a one-on-one video call with me on Patreon at www.patreon.com/Melli Monaco. You go over there, you send me a little text, and then we'll make it happen. Hopefully you guys are having a great day. I'm about to go outside. I hope you do the same. Goodbye.